Hi guys, welcome to this video about the ultimate performance mode of Windows 10. So this is actually a feature which is just available at Windows 10 Pro, which is about $400, but it's possible to make a little bit of update or just activate it on almost every Windows 10 with a small trick. But there's something needed for that, and I will show you that. And that's also the reason why I did this, why I'm doing this video. There are already a lot of videos about these power mode, but they don't cover everything, and so I will show you what's needed to activate this mode, and I'll give a little bit of explanation what it will do. So what people actually say about this enhanced power mode is that you can eliminate some kind of micro latencies, which means actually it's some kind of warm-up period which a system needs to get out of reduced power modes to a high power mode. This happens like when you're working on the computer, you have some almost idle time, and then you're doing something fast, and then you go to more or less idle. That happens if you're doing office work. But when you're doing office work, you don't want to have a PC which runs at full power all the time. Maybe something like this, the enhanced power mode or the ultimate power mode, is probably something which fits best for 3D painting, if you do video editing or 3D graphics painting, whatever, something like that. If you're a gamer, then it's probably not needed. So based on my research, people didn't really notice a difference while gaming, because while gaming, the Windows, the whole system is usually running at maximum power, peak power, peak performance. And so there are not many situations where you have to wake your system up from almost sleep or immediate power to high power. When a system is running anyway always on high power, then it's not needed. You don't need this special mode. It's really just when you have a lot of changes between maybe low power, medium power, and then immediately need high power. Okay, that's about the sense. And how can you check if you can activate the thing? You press the Windows key and type PC info, and here you have something about your PC. And if you go down here, go down, and here we have it says Windows specifications, and we have a version, and here it says 1803, and that's the thing which we need. So the version 1803 represents the Windows Redstone update, which came out in spring 2018, which you can see here. In my case, it's installed in May 2018. So if you see this at least 1803, then you should be ready to install this update, or just activate this ultimate power feature. So to check what options you have already installed on your computer, you have to go to this battery icon, right click on that, select power options, go to change plan, change advanced power settings, something like that. And here you have the options which you have available. I have seen, for some reason, it looks like there's just one one option for me which is available. I don't know why. I mean, of course I can change it within this plan, but there's no other plan which I have. Of course I could restore plan default, but it's probably just for this plan. I don't know. So let's see how this is. It would be interesting to know if it's same thing with you. So usually what I have seen from other users, when they click here, they have already 3 different plans. But yeah, let's install this option and let's see how it changes. So it looks like we have to right click to install that, right click on the Windows icon here and then select Windows PowerShell as administrator. And then we get to this thing here and we enter this command, which I've already copied. I'll put it down into the description. You can copy it from there so you don't have to type it in. So I enter that and it says power scheme GUI ID or GUI yeah, whatever it is. So ultimate performance, is it that? There's nothing else. Yeah, I think okay, it looks good at the moment. And let's go back here, power options, change plan settings, advanced, and then we'll check and we'll see, yeah, we have the ultimate performance now here. And yeah, we can of course also change settings here if we like. And yeah, but I'll go back at the moment. For me, I think at the moment it's not needed, but I will test it over time, maybe 1 or 2 times, and see if I can find a difference. But I don't expect a huge difference while gaming. The only thing is, yeah, it can have also a negative impact, of course, if you're a user who doesn't actually need the extra power almost all the time. I mean, yeah, when your system is running at high power all the time, first thing, you need extra power. I mean, you have to pay for that extra power which you are consuming from the power plant. And second thing, when your PC is running at full speed all the time, I don't know if this is really a good thing. I mean, it will produce a lot of heat. All the fans have to run all the time at high speed. You will have more noise probably. Yeah, if you need this, of course, no problem. Go ahead, do it, or just try it and see how it works. Yeah, it would be interesting to hear from you. Yeah, what your experience is. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.